You are right where you need to be. I'm kind of in a place right now where I feel very lost with my business a little bit, and as well as feel very just lost. Like I buzzed my head again, which I told myself I would never really do again. But for the reason because I was in a really hard situation with an ex-girlfriend, and then also I wasn't making as much money when I did shave my head last time. I did overcome that, and then started making way more money with the buzz head. It did work last time, but I just buzzed it last night, and it's not looking too good so far. The first day looked hot. I lost 4 pounds, and then now I just ate McDonald's at night, so I'll probably gain all that weight back, and I'll probably be back up to 220. Just frustrating. Life is frustrating, but my message here, guys, is life has its edges and flows, ups and downs. All I know is I don't know, and also on top of that, lost like $300 in sports bets. So I was really counting on that, maybe to make rent or something. I'm already gonna be able to pay rent, but I was hoping that could just cover, so I don't have to use cash to pay it. But yeah, so that's probably not gonna happen. But all I do know is, hey, if you hit a down, there's always an up. So I want you guys to know that if you're going through a tough time like I am, it's come to last. It's gonna end soon. I'm kind of going through it right now, to be honest. I mean, I'm not really feeling the best emotionally or physically or anything really, or even my money. Kind of maxed out my credit cards again, so I'm just kind of just lost. I was really doing well with the credit, and then for a good bit, and then I blew it. But yeah, I do want, and I kind of wanted to be a message to myself as well that everything's gonna be okay, and trusting God. Even when it gets kind of tough right now, I want you guys to know that if you are going through a tough time right now too, then it's gonna come to an end soon. It's gonna all flip around for you guys, and same for me. I've done it before in the past. I've had my bad times, my good times, my good times, bad times, the bad times, the good times. So I just know something good is coming around the corner, and I want you guys to know to keep your hopes up and to keep moving, keep pushing, never give up.